Hey YouTube, today I have some mixed Dollar Tree packs for you. 3 different sets, so go ahead and try our luck, see what we can pull. Alright, starting off with Breakpoint. Wouldn't mind pulling a Full Art Mega Scizor. Always liked that card. Alright, first pack. Dunsparce, Numel, and Shinx. Alright, next Breakpoint. These Dollar Tree packs, sometimes you get good things, sometimes you get nothing, but it's like that with the $4 packs. Here's a Professor Sycamore. Still like that card. Skorupi and Staryu. Alright, Celestial Storm now. I see something shiny in this pack already, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully it's something I don't have yet. Either way, it's still nice. We got the Master Royale, Metatite, and Articuno GX. Cool. Nice card right there. Good way to start off. Hopefully we can pull some other ones. Let's see. It'll come with one of those advertisements for the TV show and stuff like that. So we got Huntail, Larvitar, and Slockoth. Next, Celestial Storm pack. Alright. One to the front. We got Combuskin, Wingull, and a reverse hollow Bagon. Pretty cool. Right. On to the next Celestial Storm. Alright. We got Cacturn, Shuppet, and Mudkip. Get these organized real quick. Alright, this is our last Celestial Storm pack. Lombre, Shuppet, and Regirock. It's a rare, so it's a hit. Nothing special, so we have 3 Forbidden Lights. That's all they had left of the Forbidden Lights. So let's go ahead and see what we can get in here. We got Klefki, Execute, and a reverse hollow rare Alolan Marowak. Alright, next pack. Always get one that never wants to open. See if we can get anything special, because it didn't want to show itself. Metal Frying Pan. We got Goomy and Dewpider. Alright, down to our last pack in this video. Hopefully we can get some of that last pack magic. Alright, here we go. One to the front. We got Dedenne, Helioptile, and Honedge. So it looks like we got Articuno GX. Still nice, still a secret, or a GX card. So everyone have a good day.